Hey guys, Weather Wheel Productions here. We're gonna do the first startups of the Rheem Central units. I have to get new logos for these because during the winter my dad accidentally slapped the logos with the shovel, both of them. So now both of them have clips that are broken, so they both would fall off. That one broke both of the clips, so I had to like stick it in there for now. But it's kind of ghetto, but it works, I guess. But you can see my dog's sunbathing because it's so warm out. He loves it. This is the first warm day of the season, so might as well make sure these things are working. Especially after last November's oil fiasco, because this unit, like, the vents smelled like oil. But the vents smelled like oil last time we ran it last year, so that's why I'm wondering if this thing's actually gonna work. So we're gonna fire it up. I'm hoping the house doesn't smell like oil again, and we're gonna see if it works good. So yeah, let's start them up. Alright, they're going. As you can tell, they sound like crap. Okay, I think this one's rattling. There we go. We're good. Question is, are these going to run long enough to get cold? Let's see. Let's see. Do we feel anything on the suction line on this thing? Oh, it still has something in it, so I think it doesn't, and that might have been, not have been oil. Yeah, it still has something in it. Thank God. Just work. It works. This thing never fails me. Meanwhile, let's take a look over here. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. $2016 2-ton. $27 2.5-ton. All right. We're gonna check on the air handlers. We'll take some temp checks from directly from there, and we're gonna check on them. Yeah, so far they seem to be running good, which is good. We're gonna have to shut off the upstairs one first so we can hear how the downstairs one sounds, but we're gonna go take some temp checks from inside. I have a temp gun and we're gonna check and see how cold it blows. Alright, I'm in my bedroom. Let's see how we're blowing out here. Oh, in Celsius. 66, 65. It's 70 in here, so that's about a 10-degree difference. So, and not the greatest. Try this one. 61, 67. Yeah, no, this thing is definitely off because it's about 70 in here. So here's the return taken in, about 71. That's a 73. Let's check them downstairs. So yeah, here you go. It's taken in about 58. This is where the upstairs one's supposed to be, but it's not blowing that out. But yeah, here's the return. Taken 68, and here's the thermostat. All right, let's see what we're taking in out here. I don't know. Let's see what the other one's doing. 85, 86, that's about right. See what the coils are at. They're about the same, so alright, I guess it's normal. Ice cold, icy cold. That's nothing. Alright, we're gonna go shut him down. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And hopefully, we'll have a video. We should have some technicians coming to take a look at these things later in the spring. And I have a source from another HVAC YouTuber where I can get 2 new Rheem logos for this thing. So that's about it. See you guys in the next one.